Today's Women Leaders in History episode highlights Hispanic and Latina leaders for kids, Sonia Sotomayor for kids, a Dolores Huerta biography, and Frida Kahlo for students. These three women made history in government, civil rights, and art. Each one shows us that leadership can look different, but it always takes courage, hard work, and heart.
Sonia Sotomayor is a Supreme Court justice, right?
Yes, Sonia Sotomayor for kids teaches us about women in government for students. She became the first Latina Supreme Court justice in 2009 when she was nominated by President Barack Obama and confirmed by the U.S. Senate. She also became only the third woman ever to serve on the Supreme Court at that time. That was a historic moment in American history.
What does a Supreme Court justice do?
Great question. Supreme Court justices interpret the Constitution and decide whether laws follow it. They are part of the judicial branch of government. That's why civics lessons for 5th grade often include Sonia Sotomayor for kids when discussing checks and balances. The Supreme Court can review laws passed by Congress and actions taken by the President. Justice Sotomayor has written opinions on cases involving civil rights, education, and criminal justice. She is also known for speaking about fairness and equal opportunity.
What about Dolores Huerta?
Dolores Huerta biography is central to labor rights history for kids. She co-founded the United Farm Workers Union in 1962 alongside labor leader Cesar Chavez. She helped organize farm workers to fight for better pay, safer working conditions, and basic rights like clean water and rest breaks. Dolores Huerta also helped lead the famous grape strike and national boycott in the 1960s, which encouraged people across the country to support farm workers by not buying certain grapes.
Was she part of the civil rights movement?
Yes, Civil Rights for Students includes Dolores Huerta biography because her work connected labor rights with civil rights. She organized peaceful protests, negotiated contracts, and encouraged Latino communities to vote and participate in democracy. She also worked to improve workers. Her famous slogan, Sí se puede, means yes, we can, and it inspired many people to believe change was possible.
And Frida Kahlo?
Frida Kahlo for Students is a powerful story in art history for kids. Frida Kahlo was a Mexican painter known for her self-portraits. After surviving a serious bus accident as a teenager, she endured many surgeries and long periods of recovery. During that time, she began painting. Her artwork often showed her physical pain, her Mexican heritage, and her personal experiences. She used bright colors and powerful symbols to express identity, culture, and resilience.
So leadership can happen in courts, protests, and art?
Exactly, Maxine. Hispanic Leaders for Kids show that influence comes in many forms: law, activism, and creativity. Sonia Sotomayor shaped national decisions through the Supreme Court. Dolores Huerta organized communities to demand fairness. Frida Kahlo changed the art world by boldly expressing who she was.
So culture matters too?
Absolutely. Women Leaders in History reminds us that diverse voices strengthen society. When people bring their culture, language, and experiences into leadership, they help our country grow wiser and more compassionate. These Latina leaders teach us that no matter your background, you can make a lasting difference. That's it for today, but remember, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning every day.